Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where I do mainly financial videos. I do sip and sip videos, log videos, and other random videos thrown in here and there. If I sound a little bit different today, it's because my sinuses are acting up and I am needing to go get a steroid shot to relieve some of the pressure. In today's video, we will be seeing how much I save. We will be stuffing my cash envelopes as well as my sinking funds, and we will be stuffing my savings challenges. Today is the day that we will see if I had enough money to come up with the $200 for my debt snowball in order to pay off my debt. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So guys, let's get started and see what I saved. So in pennies, I saved 2, 4, 6, 7 cents in pennies, 20 cents in nickels, and 1 quarter. I saved 52 cents in change, and in bills, I saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 in ones, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, $50 in fives, and 20, 40, $60 in 20s. I saved a total of $120 in bills. My total savings for the week was $120.52. So we're going to get our money together so that we can start stuffing our envelopes. So we're stuffing a total of $635. Miscellaneous will get $20, 5, 10, 15, 20. Household will get 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. Eating out will get 65, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 5. My husband will get 20, 40, 60 for his lunch. I will get 20, 40 for my lunch, 20 for his personal, and 20 for my personal. So I'm going to place my money in my wallet. I'm going to place the eating out money in my wallet as well. And I'm going to fold the miscellaneous and the household and place in my wallet as well. I will be laying my husband's on top and putting it to the side until I'm ready to give it to him. So now we will be stuffing my savings challenges. So in the 60 envelope challenge, that will be getting $20. So it gives us $1, $50, $70, $80, $180 in our 60 envelope challenge. In our 7 months challenge, we will be putting $40, 20, 40. So it gives us 1, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, $360. And in our $30 a week challenge, we will be putting $30. So it gives us 1, 50, 2, 20, 40, 60, 70, $270 in our $30 a week challenge. And that is all for our challenges. Now we will move on to our sinking funds and our savings. Birthdays will be getting $32. 20, 30, 31, 32. So on birthdays, we have $20, $40, $60, $70, $71, $72 in birthdays. In our emergency funds and our savings, we will be combining those. We have decided that we are going to focus on one. We will be saving for both. However, for right now, we're just going to reach our $5,000 with emergency fund 1 and then go to emergency fund 2. So in emergency fund 1, we have $102. And in emergency fund 2, we also have $102. So we're going to put this envelope to the side. And emergency fund will be getting $20. So it gives us 1, 2, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. $124. Savings, we will be doing the same. And savings 1 has $102. Savings 2 also has $102. So we will combine those. And this week it's getting $20. So that's 1, 2, 20, 21, 22, 23, $24. $124 in savings 1. Mattress will be getting $15. For those of you who are new, we've already purchased our mattress. We took $950 out of our emergency fund to get our mattress because we were having really bad problems with our backs. So on mattress, we have 1, 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, $200 in mattress. So we have $750 left to put in here in order to replace that $950 in the emergency fund. Home repair will get $4, and as you know, we have not filled it at all this month. So that gives us $50, $51, $52, $53, $54 in home repair. Deck will also get $4. So it gives us $20, $25, $26, $27, $28, $29, $30 in deck. Car repair will also get $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that gives us $20, $40, $41, $42, $43, $44 in car repair. And debt snowball. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600 in debt snowball. And debt snowball will get $200. So it gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $800 in debt snowball. And I will be making the final debt payment on my personal loan. So guys, I decided that I was going to make this call with you. So hold on, let me call and get them on the phone. This is Carolyn Griffin. I'd like to pay off my personal loan.
Were you wanting to just do one payment today or the full balance?
I want to pay the full balance.
And do you want to use the checking ending in 4103?
Yes, ma'am.
Payoff as of today is $1,022.80.
Okay.
Regional finances are requesting your authorization for a small entry each debit for checking ending in 4103 for the amount of $1,022.84. to be debited on or after February 26, 2021. Do I have the authorization to process this transaction?
Yes, ma'am.
And a Yahoo email works with the receipt?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Okay. So we will get a receipt sent your way within about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll actually mail out your payout paperwork here within about 10 to 15 days, okay?
Thank you.
Have a great one.
Will y'all be reporting to the credit bureau anytime soon?
They usually do that at the start of every quarter, so like the beginning of April.
Okay.
Usually if you pay out, though, that will report it a little bit sooner.
Okay.
It could be within a couple weeks, or it might be, like I said, maybe the beginning of April.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good one.
Bye. Yes, I did it! I am so excited, guys. Anyway, that is all for this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.